Hello parents and students entering 5th through 9th grade in this upcoming school year. This is just a quick video to explain the Ultimed trucks and how they can benefit your child for the music trip that will happen in 4 years. Ultimed is located on the east end of town in the industrial park, and you will park somewhere on the south side of the building. You will see a truck backed into the dock that looks like this. This truck will be filled with boxes of medical equipment that we will unload. So you'll want to make sure to wear closed-toed shoes. You'll enter through the door on the very east end of the building. If the door is locked, you can sneak around through the actual dock and up some stairs into the warehouse. Once you're inside the warehouse, there will be a team of people there, depending on the size and type of truck, to unload the boxes. The team members will work together to load the boxes onto pallets. Once they're loaded, you will have a music booster officer label them with a ticket so we know what kind they are. After they're labeled and counted, another team member will move the pallet to somewhere in the warehouse. And remember that anyone that is a family member or over 16 can unload the trucks, and then a portion of the truck, we get paid $200 per truck, will go into your child's account. And so it's a great way to raise money for the music trip. We're usually done in about an hour. Some trucks are even easier, and we're done quicker than that. During the month of June, $2,200 was raised from the Ultimed trucks, and individually in 1 month, the student earned $461 from parents or family members spending just a couple hours unloading trucks. Music booster officer know if you would like to be added to the text messaging system that notifies individuals when a truck is in and we are looking for workers. Let any of the music booster officers know if you have any questions, but we'd love to have you or a family member there. Thank you.